see how he responds to the Jeep with the muffler exhaust. As you can see, he was like, "Yo, it's loud." So we go take him for a little drive, and we'll show y'all what happened. All right? YouTubers.
Oh, you got the shit on? Yeah, nigga about to put me on shit, bro.
You feel me? So what's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on it so far? From last time when you cause you ain't been in it since I had the muffler delete or the engine swap.
Nah, it sound way better, bro.
Sound way better.
Yeah. Sound like a real beast now.
Sound like a real beast. It wasn't really sounding beastie before, huh?
It was a little bit, but now it sounds like
now it's
real,
like it's unleashed. Like no chill.
No chill.
No chill.
That first I was like, oh shit.
That's crazy?
Nah, that shit crazy, bro.
You see why you can't be doing that in the hood, like, you feel me? I have every cop looking for you. Alright. Good in here and all that. Just like that, you guys see my boy E Boogie reaction to the new engine and the new muffler delete. He love it. he said it blew him off the seat. You feel me?
Definitely did, man.
He got a Honda and whatnot, so that thing is clean. I like it. So big things coming for that too.
It's a fact, bro. Big things, big improvements coming.
Facts. I hear you. Alright, man. So thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'll let y'all in the next one. Out.